So for today, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Venmo in store without your card. So first, you need to open your Venmo application and just simply click or navigate to the Me section under, and then simply click the gear icon, and you need to click identity verification under it. You will need it to provide the details, which is the date of birth, the last four of your SNN, as well as your street address. And then click get verified. Under the payment methods, you need to click the add a bank or card and just simply link your bank account, and that's it. That's how you pay with Venmo and store without using your card. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.